everyone, and welcome back to Belinda's DIYs. If this is your first time here, I want to welcome you. So today is going to be about my coffee bar. I wanted to show you my Valentine's coffee bar. So I always decorate around my house, and the coffee bar is no exception. So I just wanted to share with you what I've done. Now, I love my little setup that I have. I have a chair. I also treat it as a little coffee lounge for myself, and of course guests that might want to come over and just sip a cup of coffee and just relax. What I love to do in the mornings and in the evenings is just sit by my coffee bar. And the reason is because, well, I have everything right there. I have my coffee maker and ready to go, and my chair sits right by the window, and I love to look outside and collect my thoughts. I like to read my Bible there. I like to journal a little bit and also just write down some of my thoughts for that day, or what I'll be doing the next day, or just some of my crafting ideas, and just put my thoughts in paper. And I really love this spot in my house. This particular area where my coffee bar is actually a breakfast nook. My husband and I always have dinner in the dining room, so I figured that this little space right here would be perfect for a coffee bar slash lounge. It's very relaxing just to sit down in the evenings or in the mornings, you know, whenever, and just have a cup of coffee. So here in the coffee bar, I have this shelf, and on there I have these little cute houses. Now, some of those I DIY'd a while back. This one in particular that has a little pink roof, all I did was just paint it with some acrylic paint, and just to give it a little touch of Valentine. And then I have this sign here that says, "But first, coffee." And I also added these little rose buds, and these I got them at Dollar Tree. And here just have a standard coffee maker because that's how I like to drink my coffee. Now these cups, I got them at Dollar Tree, and I thought they were just adorable. And these stackable coffee mugs, I got them at a garage sale. So I thought they were adorable. Now this here is a Dollar Tree organizer. It's those clear ones that they have in the beauty section. And I have some teas here. I think that they go perfect right here. And also I have the little rose buds here that I just decided to spread some there. And here's another Dollar Tree item, and it's this clear glass container, and this is where I keep my stevia. And I also keep some Lakanto vanilla syrup, and this is absolutely delicious. I love it because it has monk fruit. Now this little shelf here, believe it or not, I DIY'd this. This originally was made to hold some Christmas decor. And so basically all I did is just use some chalk paint to paint this Dollar Tree platter, and then I added some ceramic candle holders, and then I glued them at the bottom, and that was it. If you'd like to see the full tutorial on it, I'll go ahead and link it down at the bottom in the description box. I also like to keep some instant coffee packets. That way, if I'm in a hurry to leave the house and I need a quick fix for my coffee, I can just make one instantly. I always like to keep a coffee mug that goes with whatever theme I've decorated my coffee bar. And this coffee bar sign, I got this years back, so I decided to put it there. And this "But First Coffee" sign, I got it also a few years back, and I believe it was at Dollar General. And those heart lights, I don't know where I got those, to be honest, but I had them stashed away. Some of the items that you see here are from Dollar Tree, and some of them are DIYs that I've created in the past. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye, and God bless.